In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the wheels on the lower rack of your dishwasher. So to remove the wheels on your lower rack, of course, you're going to open your door, bring your rack out. We're just going to move our silverware basket out of the way for now. Usually, depending on the make and the manufacturer, they may have a little different style clip, but almost everybody's out there mounts the same way. They're basically sliding onto the wires of the rack, and they're just held in place by a couple of little locking tabs. So in this wheel here, you'll see there's one right here, and there's another one right there. So to remove it, all I need to do is just to apply a little bit of pressure, and that allows that wheel to slide down and come out of your rack. So as you can see, it's very easy to remove the wheels on your lower rack.